Are you ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime? Stay with us as we guide you through the seamless process of applying for a U.S. visa. We'll ensure you have all the information at your fingertips, making your dream trip to the States a reality. Don't miss out on the essential tips and tricks. Keep watching for a hassle-free visa application experience. Prior to initiating your application for a U.S. visa, it's crucial to determine the specific type of visa that aligns with your travel intentions. The purpose of your visit dictates the category of visa you should apply for. Each visa category has distinct prerequisites that the applicant must fulfill before proceeding with the application. The type of U.S. visa you intend to apply for will dictate the kind of information and documents you need to assemble for the completion of the online U.S. visa application. This encompasses a range of data, including your personal contact details, familial information, current employment details, historical employment data, and educational background. The DS-160 form, also known as the Online Non-Immigrant Visa Application, is designed for individuals seeking temporary travel to the United States as well as for K or finance visa. This form is electronically submitted to the Department of State website via the Internet. The information provided in the DS-160 form is utilized by consular officers to process the visa application. Alongside a personal interview, this information aids in determining an applicant's eligibility for a non-immigrant visa. Upon the successful completion of the DS-160 form, the next step involves the payment of the visa application processing fee. This is a mandatory part of the application process. It's incumbent upon you to arrange for a visa interview appointment. Please note that the scheduling of this appointment isn't done by the U.S. Embassy or consulate, but must be initiated by you. It's important to prepare and organize all the required documents that you will need to present at the visa interview. This preparation is crucial for the successful processing of your visa application. It's essential to attend the appointments that have been scheduled, during which you'll provide your biometric data and respond to the inquiries posed by the consular officer. Following the conclusion of the interview, you have the ability to monitor the status of your visa application through an online platform. In the event that your visa application is approved, you will receive your passport back with the U.S. visa affixed inside. This marks the successful completion of the visa application process. Please note that the process may vary slightly depending on the specific U.S. Embassy or consulate and your country of residence. It's always a good idea to check the specific requirements on the official website of the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your country. Also, the processing time can vary, so it's recommended to apply well in advance of your planned travel date. Join our vibrant community by subscribing to our channel for the latest updates and amazing content. Tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay in the loop.